Hi, this is Joe,
This is Zach.
and this is podcast for Unit 5 Formatives. And our first topic, we're going to be talking about acid rain, because that's something we're talking about. We're kind of talking about like stuff in the world that's like causing like pollution, and acid rain's caused by pollution. So for acid rain to occur, refineries or other like places that release a lot of SO2, NO2, or CO2 gases, they end up getting carried up by wind and they combine with like water droplets to form like these acid rain droplets. And what ends up,
Yes.
or go ahead.
So, um, okay, so for people that wouldn't know, like SO2 isn't that sulfur dioxide and like
Yeah,
of course like nitrogen
nitrogen oxide.
oxide, NO2, and then like carbon dioxide.
Yeah,
But yeah, like sulfur and the nitrogen released from like factories, pretty much the waste that they release in the air
yeah. It can
is
also,
what's causing the acid
yeah, it can
rain.
also be occurred from like nitrogen oxides can like be produced naturally also by like lightning strikes and like volcanic eruptions too. So it doesn't have to only be like human made things that are ending up causing this acid rain that
Like man-made, yeah.
yeah. And yeah, so what ends up happening is this acid rain can destroy plants, it pollutes water sources and like soil, and it can also like erode buildings. So like overall, like we need to kind of like try to help prevent this from occurring as often as possible.
Yeah, so I mean, is there any way really to prevent, well, besides like,
Just trying
is there
to
any realistic
design like a
way
realistic
that we could
way.
like,
Like the only way you could really do it is like preventing like trying to like not as emit as many gases or whatever from like whatever you're doing. So that'd be like the main way. But yeah.
but like realistically, like products being produced that are not going to stop like the production of products, which like causes like this mass
Mhm.
amount of waste. Like companies wouldn't do that. So,
Yeah, I
I mean,
guess
really, like it's the same thing as like, um, I mean, like climate issues are occurring and like we know how we could prevent or at least like like stop it, stop the severity of it, but like companies
mhm.
aren't gonna shut down their production just because of that. Because like, I mean, obviously they
Like
want the
like
most revenue.
one way that we could I guess think about this is like maybe we don't have to prevent like try to help companies like prevent their emission or like the gases they emit, but more maybe like find ways that to stop like from acid rain from like destroying property and like polluting water. Like if there's some way to prevent that. I don't know if there would be. It'd be really hard, but yeah.
Like so, like cleaning. Yeah, I guess like cleaning the water and stuff. But
Okay, yeah. So that should wrap us up for acid rain.